NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 5. AOBC is a rectangle whose three vertices are vertices A 0, 3, O 0, 0 and B 5, 0. The length of its diagonal is option A 5, option B 3, option C √34 or option D 4. Let us find the answer. Given three vertices of the rectangle are A 0, 3, O 0, 0, B 5, 0. Let us draw these points on the graph. O 0, 0 is the origin, intersection of x and y axis. A 0, 3 lies on the y axis since x coordinate is 0, and point B 5, 0 lies on the x axis because y coordinate is 0. Now we can draw a rectangle with these vertices and we need to find the length of its diagonal. And what is the diagonal? Diagonal is AB, first diagonal, and the second diagonal is OC. In a rectangle there are two diagonals and the length of these two diagonals are equal. Therefore, finding length of AB is same as finding length of OC. So let us find the length of the diagonal AB. And what is its length? It is the distance between the points A and B. Therefore, length of the diagonal is equal to distance between A 0, 3 and B 5, 0. That is equal to, what is the distance formula between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let us substitute the values x1, y1, which is A 0, 3 and x2, y2, which is B 5, 0 in this formula. That is equal to root over x2 is 5 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 3 whole square. That is equal to root over 5 square is 25 and minus 3 whole square is 9. Root over 25 plus 9 is root over 34. From the given options, option C is the right answer. Therefore, for the question, AOBC is a rectangle whose three vertices are vertices A 0, 3, O 0, 0 and B 5, 0. The length of its diagonal is root over 34 units. Option C.